right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about, well, probably my longest long-term review I've ever done. And it's not the most splashy, fancy, etc. tool, but it's something I use constantly and have been searching for the best one for a very long time. And unfortunately, I can't find who the original manufacturer is for Power Probe. They may make it, they may not. They're small torch. I can find the OEM for that one. I can't find who makes this one. So it is what it is. Now, this is the Power Probe torch. It has been rock solid for at least 2.5 years. I believe that's how long I've had this. I've owned a lot of torches. Why do I need such a big torch? Well, I replace a lot of battery terminal ends. A lot of times the cables are difficult to replace, expensive, not available, and multi-piece. So what I do is I cut the ends off and solder on eyelets so I can restore electrical connection to the battery in a quality repair. So I solder those ends on, and this is what I use. It gets it plenty hot for conventional leaded solder. I also tend to use it a lot for shrink tubing. Now I know that's a big no-no. You're supposed to use a heat gun, and that's all fine and good. But if you know how to apply heat to shrink tubing, i.e. indirectly, meaning you're not running the flame directly on the heat shrink, you won't burn holes in it. If you just use the heat from the torch itself, not the flame, you're fine. Now, I've owned a lot of these torches, from no names to Matco to Snap-on, and they never last. The igniter goes out, the fill tube sticks open. Now, I'm a cigar smoker, so I'm very familiar with butane contaminants. I always use top quality butane. The igniter is usually what goes bad first. On this one, you can see the knob is actually bent. That's because I dropped it. It still works fine. Now, like most conventional torches, you've got a way to make the flame bigger and all that kind of good stuff, where it's basically like a Bic lighter to full torch. It's got a safety on it that actually works, Snap-on, and it's been extremely reliable over the last multiple years of heavy use. I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera. The nozzle's a little loose now. I obviously talked about the knob being a little bent, but it has been bulletproof to the point where I bought another one of these in my toolbox. Brought this one home to replace the Snap-on. The thing about this one is it's not cheap, but it's not really that expensive either. It's about 40 bucks less than the Snap-on, and you can use it for anywhere you would use the other kind of torches, the smaller ones, because it's so adjustable, and it's just bulletproof. So if you're looking for a portable torch like this, just don't waste your money on anything else. Just get the Power Probe. There will be an Amazon link in the description. But yeah, best torch I've ever owned as far as butane. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.